I rotted in jail for 20 years because of your weakness.
Obeying your master is not weakness.
You knew I was the Dragon Warrior. You always knew. But when Ugoy said otherwise, what did you do? Nothing.
You were not meant to be the Dragon Warrior. That was not my fault.
What I ever did, I did to make you proud. Tell me how proud you are, Chifu. Tell me. Tell me!
I have always been proud of you. But I loved you too much to see what you were becoming. What I was turning you into. I'm sorry.